Then go down. Yeah, 1, 2. Hook. Then takes you down. There. Jump straight knee. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Take it down. Good. Keep it up, guys. 40 seconds. You have 14 seconds. Yeah. 7 seconds. Nice. That's my knee. Hook naman. Scissor knee. Let's go. Scissor knee. Tayo lang ito. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Hindi ko magawa eh.
Scissor knee. Okay. Tumaas. Mountain climbers na lang. Push. Push him against the cage. Push. Focus. Last round. Kamang na kayo ng 2 rounds, huwag na bigay last round. Sa finish time pa kayo magkakaba. Push! Push! Kahit pinagirapan. Okay. Buelo. Buelo lang. Buelo lang. And go. You have 15 seconds to do this. Let's go. 10 seconds. Siyempre sa laban, hindi nyo binibigay yung laban. Sa laban, you struggle for a better position. 20 seconds. Sit out. Nice. Sit out. Sit out. Sit out. Let's go. Nice. 13 seconds lang yan. 13 seconds lang yan. In 5 seconds, we'll do some ground and pound. Ground and pound. Isang side lang. One side. One side lang. Let's go. Ground and pound. Good job, guys. You're on top. Doesn't mean you have to rest. Constant pressure. Let's go. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Yes. And core. Every time you're balancing, work out your core. And yes.
Parang you don't notice but you work.
Yes. Core and arms. Okay, change. Other side.
Ito na ako.
Sige, pwede mo alternate. $18 seconds left. 15 seconds. And then pag na-reverse kayo, you have to be ready. Now, pag nabaliktad kayo, let's do some boxer crunches in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, on your back. Let's go. Boxer crunches. Tapos hindi pag-butterfly ka tingin. Right now, sige, tingin. Yeah, so boxer crunches. There you go. You have 20 seconds. Boxer crunches. Every time you're doing this, you're trying to stand up. But your opponent will try to keep you down. So keep doing it. It's a fight. 4 seconds. Triangle choke. Let's go. Triangle choke. Hips up. Try to kick the ceiling. Kick up. Then pull his head down. Up. And pull his head down.
Okay, this is like an ab worker.
Okay.
This like
Lanking. Just last 1 minute with the fight. Damang kayo, you have to control your opponent. You're on top. So, land. Let's go.
yeah, plank board.
Yes. Okay. Control.
Burning your ab.
Control. Yeah. So, this is the last 40 seconds of the fight. So, don't give up. Concentrate. Focus. Kahit masakit ha. Hindi, sayang eh. Panalo na eh. Yes. 30 seconds.
Kaya pa rin.
You're a machine.
All day, all day.
It's not about getting the
Okay.
person beside you. It's being a better
Is that your motto?
No. That's his motto. 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
All day, every day. All day, any day.
It's all you. Yung kalaban mo yung sarili.
Pwede mag-sign.
Pati yung sinasabing kalaban mo yung sarili. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And your